They're charged with the offense of murder. The range of punishment is 5 years to 99 years or life in prison with up to a $10,000 fine.
Not only did Miss Diaz shoot Christopher Jones in the back, she left him to rot, Your Honor. She left him alone in that house for the better part of a month. And there's evidence that she returned at least once, but likely more. She took his phone, his wallet, his watch, his dog, and his car. She used his car. She drove around. She spent his money. She racked up his calls. She tried to collect rent from one of his friends. She tried to sell his equipment. And in that event, she got the murder weapon stolen. She not only tried to convince his family and friends that he was still alive through her texting them on his cell phone, she also tried to convince the police he was still alive. She impacted his entire family, his mother, his sister, and his aunt, and the children that he had only recently connected with.
The court should consider anything between 5 and 25. The court shouldn't. This is a murder case. This is the taking of someone's life. But we're asking the court to perhaps consider something between 20 and 25 years. She spent 1 year in the county jail. She spent 3 years on full house arrest. We believe that those factors all combined would justify a sentence of 22 to 23 years.
She had multiple occasions to tell the detectives the truth. She spent hours being interviewed and she still denied the truth. She also had contact with the police at least once, I think maybe twice, between when he was killed and when the body was discovered. And at no time did she say anything. She knew he hadn't been discovered and the police hadn't gone because she went to that house, which she talks about, the fact that she went back to the house and his body was still there and she took the dog. So, Your Honor, 25 is the only real option here.
All right. Ms. Diaz, I want you to know when the state makes an offer a cap of 25, always consider the full range, because when people offer a cap of something, so I consider 5 to 25. I don't automatically say, oh, I'm giving this person 25 or 24. I consider the entire range of punishment. Okay. And I understand what the defense is asking for. I understand what the state is asking for. And I appreciate both people being reasonable in what they are asking for. All right. As previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. The court will give you credit for any time served. The court will sentence you to 25 years in the prison. And counsel, I see that there were other mentions of maybe potential toxic relationship, abuse, that type of things. I'll request for you the mental health unit or the therapeutic unit, but you'll have to request it as well because I don't have any jurisdiction to force them to put you in specific programs, but that may be of help to you. Okay.